Hello, grade 3. Today we will discuss about the review. Let's start from number 1. Johnny left house at 1:30 p.m. Okay, so we need to take some notes of uh, his activity. So Johnny left house at 1:30 p.m. heading to the mall. And then he met Sari at the mall at 2 p.m. He met Sari at 2 p.m. 3 hours later, 3 hours later. So 3 hours later after 2 p.m. is 1 plus 1 plus 1, right? So it will be So it will be at 5 p.m. Okay, so what did he do at 5 p.m.? He left the mall. So left the mall at 5 p.m. And then he visited his grandpa's house because his grandpa's house was near to the mall. Half an hour later, so after 5 p.m., half an hour later is 5:30 p.m. What happened at 5:30 p.m.? He arrived at his grandpa's house. So, arrive at grandpa's house at 5:30 p.m. All right. And then he helped his grandpa clean the house and finish an hour later. Okay, so it means that finish cleaning 1 hour later. So 1 hour after 5:30 is 6:30 p.m. After that, he had dinner with his grandpa after he had finished cleaning the house. So when he finished cleaning at 6:30 p.m., he also had dinner at this time. Yeah, after finished cleaning, he had dinner directly. We will write it here. Yeah, had dinner. So this, yeah, finished cleaning and had dinner. After that, at 8:20 p.m., he went back home. Back home at 8:20 p.m. All right, we already write one by one Johnny's activity for this story. So for number 1A, what time did he arrive at his grandpa's house? So let's take a look. He arrived at grandpa's house is at 5:30 p.m. Okay. And then what time did he start having dinner with his grandpa? Let's find out having dinner. This had dinner, yeah, at 6:30 p.m. How long he was outside of his home? So it starts from he left his house until he back home. So from 1:30 until 8:20 p.m. So let's make the timeline from 1:30 p.m. to 8:20 p.m. Let's make the timeline. Start from 1:30 p.m. 30 minutes later, it is 2 p.m. Okay. And then 2 became 8 is 6 hours later. 6 hours later, it is 8 p.m. But we're not finished yet because it is until 8:20 p.m. Yeah, so we need 20 minutes more. So 20 minutes after 8 p.m. is 8:20 p.m. So how long he was outside of his home? So let's sum all of this duration. 30 minutes plus 6 hour plus 20 minutes. So it is 6 hour. The minute is 30 plus 20. So it is 50 minutes. If the minute is exactly 60, it will become 1 hour. Yeah. And if it is more than 60, it will become hour and minutes. Number 2, draw the hour and minutes hand on the clock. 2:50 p.m. 2:50 p.m. Look at the minute. Sorry. The minute is 50, which is 50 is almost 60, right? So when it is 2:60 p.m., it means it's already 3 o'clock. So if it is 2:50, it means that the hour hand is almost to 3. But not exactly at 3, but almost, yeah? So, but only short hand for the hour. And then look at the minute, it is 50. Start from 12, it is 0, and then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and then 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Okay, so this is 0 or 60. So the 50 is in here. So we will draw the minute hands exactly at this small line, exactly at the 10. Okay, remember the minute hand is longer than the hour hand. For 9:10 a.m., 10 minutes after 9, so it's still close to the 9, but the hour is after 9, yeah. So it's about like that. And then the last one, 6:30 p.m. 30 minutes is half journey. I mean, half an hour. Yeah, it means that half journey for the Hans uh go from 12 to 12 again. If it is half journey, it means that the hour hand must be between 6 and 7. So if it is 6 o'clock, it will go here, here, here until here. And then the hour will be in here, half of journey. Okay. Number 3. The mass of box A is 2 kilogram. The mass of box B is 1,500 grams, and the mass of box C is 1 kilogram and 50 gram. Which box is the heaviest? Why? So I think it's better to make them all, to convert them all into gram. Yeah, because it's easier to count. Let's write box A is 2 kilogram. Remember, 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. So if it is 2 kilogram is 2,000 times 1000, so it is 2000 grams. And then box B, it is 1500 grams. It's already in grams. Yeah, so no need to do something with it. The last one is box C. Box C is 1 kilogram and 50 grams. It means that 1 kilogram is 1000 plus 50 grams. It is 1050 grams. Which box is the heaviest? Of course, box A. We read the conclusion, so box A is the heaviest. Okay, now it's B. If there are two boxes A, if two boxes A, which is box A is 2000 gram, yeah, if there are two boxes A, it means that 2000 plus 2000. Or you can multiply them 2 times 2000, which is they both are same. It turns out 4000 grams. And then one box B. Box B is 1500 grams. 3 boxes C. Which is, we need to plus this until 3 times. Yeah. 1050 plus 1050 plus 1050, or it is all equals to 3 times 1050, which is, it is 3150 grams. So the question is it true that their masses are 7 kilograms altogether? So we need to plus them all. We plus them all. 4000 gram plus 1500 grams plus 3150 grams is 8650 grams. Yeah. Or if you want to make it into kilogram, yeah, because it is 7 kilograms, so we need to change or to convert gram into kilogram. Look at the thousand. Which one? Which digit is the thousand? The thousand is this. Yeah, because this is ones, tens, hundred, and this is the thousand. We take the thousands, so the thousands became kilogram. So it is 8 kilogram, and the rest is and 650 gram. Okay, so let me check it again. Okay, correct. Yeah. Okay, so number 4, explain the kinds of angles by observing these pictures. Picture A, it is called as acute angle because it is, or the angle is less than 90 degree. B, it is 164. It is obtuse angle because the angle is more than 90 degree. And the C is like B, yeah? So it is obtuse angle because the angle is more than 90 degree. And the D Look, it's exactly 90 degrees, so it is called as right angle because the angle is exactly 90 degree. Okay, so number 5. Use the corner of a sheet of paper to identify whether the angle is an acute, obtuse, or a right angle. Look, if we have the paper, okay, the paper, the corner of paper is this, 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 and this. The corner of paper is equal to right angle. If, for example, we put the right paper here for the corner, yeah, look, it's exactly like the corner. It means that it is right angle. If in here, for example, we have the paper is like this. Okay, so this corner determine the kind of angle. If the angle is inside or less than the right angle, which is less than the corner of the paper, so it is called as acute angle. But if we have here, for example, this is the paper, okay, look at the angle hand, one of the angle hand is more than the right angle here. It is called as obtuse angle. Meanwhile, the angle S is acute angle. You can prove it yourself. Now is number 6. Draw and write the properties of a square. You can use your ruler to draw the square, which is it has the same side for the square. Yeah, don't forget to give the sign. Okay. After that, the rectangle. For the triangle, it's like this, which is the length of this are same, top and bottom, and the length for the left is equal to the length for the right. And the last one, the triangle. Anyway, there are so many kinds of triangle, so you can draw it one of them. I will take for the isosceles triangle. Okay. So for the properties, square. It has 4 sides, 4 equal sides. And then it has 4 right angles. And then for the rectangle, look at the sides. It has 4 sides, okay, but not all sides are equal. The opposite sides are equal. Are equal. And don't forget the angle. It has 4 right angles. And the last one is for the triangles. Look, in here, you draw The isosceles triangle. Yeah. It has three sides. You need to mention isosceles triangle has two equal sides. And then you mention again isosceles triangle has two equal